To connect printer on Realme Note 7T, all you have to do is go to settings. Let's find and open settings on our smartphone. And then we're gonna go to connection and sharing over here. Next, find and choose print. Over here, you should be able to find the default print service. So we can go over here, make sure that it is enabled, and then we can search for printers. If you can find your printer over here, then of course that's great. And you can simply choose your printer over here and you might be able to immediately connect. However, there is a chance that you won't be able to find your printer. So in that case, we can go back and we can go to add service. You will open the Play Store with the different plugins for printers. So you want to find the correct plugin for your printer. They are pretty much based on the brand of the printer, so you shouldn't have issues with finding yours. And once you do that, of course, you can open the plugin or the app and try to set up the printer over there, or you can try to go back to the same setting and try to detect your printer over here. However, in some other cases, your printer might require you to download a very specific app that is not even listed over here. But of course, you can find it in the Play Store. So you might want to check the user manual of your printer, and you might want to download the app that is required to be installed on your smartphone. So just check the manual, find out how to connect the printer to your smartphone. There should be a section over there, if it's possible, of course. And most likely, if none of the previous things work, if you cannot detect your printer, then most likely you have to download the very specific app that should be mentioned over there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.